More Tomorrows Together is brought to you by Cancer Care Manitoba Foundation.
Every 5 years, Cancer Care Manitoba puts together a plan for the future. The vision this year isn't only for cancer care itself to improve outcomes and patient care, but also for the community abroad to play a role in reducing cancer rates. CTV's Michelle Gerwing has more on tonight's More Tomorrows Together.
As Manitoba inches closer to turning the page on COVID-19, Cancer Care Manitoba is putting its plans for the next 5 years down on paper. The new plan is called 2020 Roadmap to Cancer Control for Manitoba.
Whether pandemic or no pandemic with COVID-19, cancer is there.
Cancer Care Manitoba President and CEO Dr. Sri Navaratnam says 1 in 6 deaths is due to cancer globally. 1 in 2 Canadians will develop cancer in their lifetime. 1 in 4 Canadians will die of cancer. And in Manitoba, by 2035, 10,000 new cancer cases will be diagnosed every year.
So it is a disease that we all, as Canadians, as Manitobans, have to be ready for, to prevent it, if not try to early detect or treat it well.
The roadmap outlines 6 priorities, starting with the promotion of cancer prevention and screening. Dr. Navaratnam says the #1 risk factor for cancer is smoking.
So for us to reduce the number of Manitobans who are smokers is an important reduction in risk factor for cancer. And when we do that, it also helps the other disease, like heart disease, stroke.
The other priorities are deliver timely access to quality cancer care closer to home, provide evidence-based, high-quality cancer services, improve patient experience throughout the cancer continuum, ensure sustainability of cancer services, and improve First Nations, Métis, and Inuit cancer control and outcomes. Dr. Navaratnam says this is an important one because these communities have worse cancer outcomes.
We wanted to have a special focus on the First Nation and Métis and Inuit, and we want to create these priorities and action items with the community in conversation with them.
A foundational piece, she says, is research and innovation, as well as community involvement.
So it's not the responsibility of one organization like Cancer Care Manitoba, even though we are the leaders, but everybody has to participate in this initiative.
The good news is more Manitobans survive cancer. And this roadmap is paving the way for the best possible care to be there when it's needed. Michelle Gerwing, CTV News, Winnipeg.
The roadmap to cancer control for Manitoba is available online at cancercare.mb.ca.